Oh shit. So today we have this Sportsman 450 Polaris all-wheel drive ATV. Go a little 0.5 for you guys to kind of see her. She does the job, nothing crazy. So let's go ahead, let's mount this beast. A little 0.5. Let's just start driving around. This thing gives you the most insane adrenaline rush ever. It's so close to being on a motorcycle. I've never been on an ATV before. I've ridden motorcycles, dirt bikes, motorcycles and dirt bikes. That's all I've ridden. But I've never been on an ATV before, and this thing just makes you feel insane. The adrenaline rush this gives you, oh my God. Whipped into a field. It doesn't get, I don't know why I'm so out of breath. I was sitting on a machine. I'm so out of breath. What? Look at this thing, man. This is nice, little compact, super thick. Thing's so much fun. And then you guys can see it's got the nice switch from all-wheel drive to two-wheel drive. So you can do those little drifts on it. All right, we just gassed her up. We're gonna go hit some trails out here, guys. Just driving down these trails, you can see we're up at this little peak. So beautiful out here, so peaceful. We're literally just by ourselves. Just me and the quad and the camera. Man, it's nice. You see it up ahead. I've been told there's at least 4 kilometers of trail. So we're just gonna go as far as we can. What a sight. Man, I would just love this to be my backyard. If this was my backyard, I would never leave the house, I swear. So let's keep on going. What a view, guys. What a view. Back into the forest. What way should we go? Left or right? Let's go left. Oh! Into the dark path. Ooh, tight corner. Tight corner. Tight corner. Okay, it looks like we're coming out of the forest. Up the hill. Woo! One-handed. This is a little tricky, guys. Back into the forest a little bit. So we're just back at this little spot right here. Man, this is such a spectacular time. I'm having such a great day. It's one of those days where I didn't really have to do much of anything, but just have fun and enjoy myself. So that's what it's all about. Again, let's check out this ATV. This thing is an absolute tank. I'm getting the hang of it a little bit more and more as we go. I'm gonna see, maybe we'll get a little drift clip, but man, this thing is just so much fun. Again, a Polaris Sportsman 450 HD EFI. Let's get back to base. Again, look at this view. I just got it just rolling in neutral down the hill. We're literally by ourselves, around no one. It's just so peaceful. So peaceful. So let's kick in gear and let's get out of here. Wow, look at that. All around us. We're literally just in this empty field. We'll go up here, see what there is. Wow. We'll go right. Left or right? Let's go right. Okay. So we're back here. Here's the Mini. Oh, okay, it took us right back around. Nice. So I just found this other trail. We'll go check this out. It just goes down the side. Goes straight into the forest. Let's go see what happens. I'm just gonna take my glasses off. It's a little dark in this one. Damn, really got into the forest. All right, let's go. Woo! I almost fell off. Woo! Damn, guys. I don't know if you can really tell how steep that hill is, but we just climbed pretty much vertical up, one-handed. Let's go, baby. Where are we? I don't even know where this is. What? What? Where is this? Looks like this goes back in the forest some way. Okay. That's what I love about these things. You can literally go anywhere. ATV, all-terrain vehicle, baby. Okay. This little stream. So we literally found this little spot in the middle of nowhere. Ah! Ah! My shoes! Oh my God, this went terrible. Okay, balance. We found this spot in the middle of nowhere, man. There's a little stream that just goes through. We got the ATV. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. Got my Yeezys that are destroyed. Look at this thing, oh my. This thing is too much fun, I tell you. This thing is too much fun. All right, let's see if we can do a one-handed burnout right now. A little donut, we'll see it. I'm one-handed, I'm far away from all the guys. I'm in the middle of this farm field. So if anything does happen, I am by myself. So let's see if we got it. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo, boys. almost fell off. All right, let's get out of here. Go take this boy one more rip. We're gonna go up in the forest. All these trails, we're gonna go up this way this time. You literally just go wherever you want. That's how it is out here. Look at this. Damn, guys. Can't ask for more than this.